welcome back, or if you're new, hi, my name is Haley, and today I'm sharing some disaster cleaning motivation from a weekend where we were just going non-stop, and as you can see, I have some disgusting messes that need to get picked up. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. This road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
Getting started today here in the living room because I felt like it was just the biggest mess and there was a lot that I needed to do. I will say the kitchen and the dining room definitely are messy, but for some reason it just felt good to be able to get this space clean. Maybe it's just because it's the biggest area, and maybe it didn't seem as overwhelming too, because I really was having to scrub the other places. So I just was slowly working my way down, and I had a few loads of laundry I needed to clean. So as you can see, fold. I folded some of them, and then I actually didn't put away any of this yet because some of it was going into different rooms and I was just trying to get the spaces cleaned, and Wasey was taking a nap. So I probably would have put it away better if he was awake, but I really just didn't have, I was just trying to hurry and get it all done before he was up. So I just went ahead and put all of that into the hallway, and then I took a break from folding and I kind of piled all of the toys into one area so I could get those put away, sort them out if they needed to go downstairs. I'm gonna need to do another good playroom clean. I feel like we get it clean, we stay on top of it, and then we get busy one day and we can't clean it up, and then the next day we get busy and it just piles up and it gets to be too overwhelming for the kids. So I need to go through that, and then a bunch of the toys that go downstairs came up, which is totally fine, but I needed to sort those as well and get that laundry folded as well.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I.
I got all of the toys sorted and went ahead and just used one of the empty laundry baskets and put all of the toys that needed to go downstairs. And you're going to see I do make piles for the downstairs items. When you move into the kitchen, you're going to see I kind of organized it that way, just so I wasn't making as many trips. I know it's better if I would have just instantly put it downstairs, but that's just kind of what I felt I needed to do on this day to be able to get it done. And we had just had such a busy weekend. Friday, we had a pretty low-key day, and then later in the afternoon we decided to go float a river. So then we didn't end up getting home by the time we went out to eat after until it was 10:30, 11 o'clock by the time we got home. And I had kind of picked up, but not really. I was mainly getting ready for the next day, because the next day we were going boating with my husband's family and even some of my family as well. We kind of just all went boating together on my husband's family's boat. So we were getting ready to do that. By the time we got home, it was like 11:30. We were so tired. We basically just showered and went to bed. And then the next day we had gone boating again and got home. I think it was even later than what we had gotten home the first day, just because of how things worked out. And so we were extremely tired then, basically just showered and went to bed that same day. So this is the next day. I had to run a few errands first thing in the morning, so it was after nap time by the time I could actually tackle this mess, and it felt so good to be able to get this done. It took quite a bit longer than I wanted it to, but it feels good to have it done. I was mainly caught up on all of the laundry, which was also really nice, and then was able to just have the house a fresh, clean slate. So I was so happy that I was able to do that. And now I'm going to show you a knob that I got at Hobby Lobby. I really liked the knob and I really liked the pull I got, but I didn't measure it. I knew the size I needed, but I didn't bring my tape measure when I went to Hobby Lobby. So that one doesn't work. I need to go return those and see if they have another pull that will match that knob. If they don't have one, I'm going to have to see if there's a different knob that I like that maybe they have the size of, or I'm going to have to just buy them online. So I need to go back to Hobby Lobby to see that, but I need to do it when my husband can just be with the kids, because I did have the kids with me when we went, and it's just always chaos when that happens. But we needed to get this table wiped up. We had yogurt mess and then lunch mess, all of it, and it was just disgusting. The floor was absolutely disgusting as well. And you're going to see I didn't vacuum the living room because Lacey was sleeping, and then you're going to see I kind of just sweep the floors, and then I am going to run my vacuum mop over it. Just having that many chunks of food, it's just so much better if I sweep it and then vacuum mop. I wasn't wanting to full-blown mop on this day, but I did want to give the floors a little bit of a clean because they were sticky. So you'll see that at the end of the video. Waverly actually vacuuming. She wanted to do it, and then me vacuum mopping the dining room and the kitchen. But let's get this dining room picked up, and then we'll move on into the kitchen and tackle that big disaster going on.
I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I, you and I. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I.
The amount of laundry and mainly towels and swimsuits I've washed over the last 2 weeks is literally insane. I feel like I'm constantly washing them so we can go swimming or do whatever we're doing outside, because the kids had swimming lessons, and then just the weekends being in the water pretty much all the time. I feel like I'm constantly cleaning them, which is so good, and I'm sad that we're keeping ourselves busy and being outside and not inside cooped up. So it is really nice that way. But I'm slowly getting into a good routine of laundry and everything. I've slowly been actually doing laundry to where I just kind of get everyone's clothes for the day and put them in the washer, and it seems to be actually working pretty good. And then every so often I'll just do the towels. So I'm thinking maybe I'll try to do it that way, but the only problem is then I'm folding multiple people's clothes instead of just like me and Trajan. So it, like, along with the kids is also what I'm trying to say. And so that's the only thing that I kind of don't like about it, is that I'm putting clothes away in multiple different rooms, because if you didn't know, our closets are very small, and so my clothes barely fit in the upstairs closet, and I also have clothes in the front entry closet. And so Trajan has all of his clothes downstairs, and he also showers downstairs, so it works out. But I already have to put away clothes from 2 different rooms for just him and I, and then the kids' clothes in a different room. So it's just a lot of going back and forth putting things away. So I don't know how long I will actually stick to doing all of our clothes in a day, but for right now, just with how busy summer is, it has been working pretty good. And we're going to continue to have swimsuits every single day that need washed, because we put up the kids' little pool and they've been swimming in it every single day and they are loving it. And I'm just glad that they've been able to entertain themselves, and we actually just ordered a swing set today. So when we get that put up, I will show kind of a clip of how our yard's looking. We were able to cut the grass actually short today. So between the grass actually growing and being cut short, the swimming pool and the swing set that's going to be coming in, our backyard is going to be coming together, and it just feels so good that we can actually go in the backyard. I'm not worrying about the kids going out into the main road. So it has definitely been so nice.
Nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. On you, I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next
another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
I am just getting done with that big load of dishes that I had to unload from the dishwasher that were clean and then load back into the dishwasher and hand wash. There was so many because I think the dishwasher had pretty much been clean that like whole weekend, and I just hadn't had the time or energy to unload it and then reload it. So definitely needed to get that taken care of. That is not normally like me to leave the house like that or go to bed like that, but it just had to happen. Boating and being in the sun takes so much out of you. But we're moving on now. We really wanted to help vacuum, and I was like, of course, while she thinks it's fun, I'm totally going to let her. It's good for her to learn and practice cleaning, all of that. Eventually, you know, she will end up having chores. Right now it's just more her making sure she's putting up her clothes, getting dressed for the day, making her bed, keeping her room tidy, those kinds of things, pretty basic things that she's able to do, but she's slowly able to do it more and more. And of course it's not perfect, but she's learning, and it's so cute watching back how she ends up vacuuming and just how much the vacuum is bigger than her. So it's just kind of funny. But once she gets done vacuuming, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start to vacuum mop these floors up. I'm just going to finish vacuum mopping in here, and then that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more cleaning, decorating videos, make sure you're subscribed. I share multiple videos every single week, and I would love to have you, and I will see you guys all very soon here in my next one. Bye!